Alright, thanks for tuning in, everyone. Beta Alanine and Taurine, two new supplements from bulksupplements.com. You can kind of ignore my little scribbles here. This is just kind of the average of what I get out of 1/8 a teaspoon. I think the labeling is correct. It's just there's going to be differences in people's teaspoons and, of course, how full they are. Not very many, granules will make a difference in milligrams. It's not a very big amount of weight. So it'll change dramatically based on how full your teaspoon or fraction of a teaspoon is in this case. But crystalline taurine, super nutrient. There's a lot of benefits from it. And you can read about that and decide if it's right for you. Most articles I read that talk about beta alanine, they want you to supplement with taurine because you use the same sodium chloride carriers into the muscles or pathways. I don't know if it necessarily be called a carrier. But beta alanine, a lot of people know the name from pre-workout supplements and the acute paresthesia effect that you get from taking more than 1 gram of it. And it happens to me at exactly 1 gram, about 800 milligrams. I don't really feel it as much. The tingling, sensation you get in your hands or your scalp and your ears. It's just a harmless kind of a side effect. I read something about it fires neurons or something in your system. But the goal of the beta alanine for me, and since I'm not just after it for the paresthesic effect, I'm after it for the carnosine increase over time, and it happens, studies go up to 12 weeks, 4 grams a day split 4 times. So people do more, people do less, but I think if you take in too much, you're not being as efficient, and you're just wasting money. Because I think your body can only do what it can do, and it's only going to take in so much each time. But it's debatable, and there's all kinds of different ideas in the matter. So you just have to kind of research and find out what's right for you. By all means, don't do anything because it's what I do. I have no idea. I've just researched enough to make a decision for what I want for myself, and that's all I can suggest. But yeah, 2 great supplements, bulksupplements.com. It's the quality products. Everything has been pristine. This is they're both just kind of crystals. This is actually the beta alanine is kind of a. Let me get my stuff and I'll show you exactly what it looks like. Bear with me here, I was unprepared. I'll show you this beta alanine. I don't know how well this is going to pick it up. I'll try to get a good look at it. It's just it looks like beach sand. I mean, that would be how I would describe that. And for the taurine, I'll take the lid off of this one. It's the same, but maybe just in a little bit finer. I'm going to pouring it all over the table. But I'm not sure if you can see that. I had to go back to my GoPro. I don't like using GoPros for these little small videos because I can't see what the camera sees, and I don't leave my Wi-Fi on my phone. Because for whatever reason, my GoPros make a clicking noise when the Wi-Fi stays on when I'm recording. It transfers over to the mic somehow. But I use these little containers from Blender Bottle. These Ghost Axe. They work well. Taurine. Beta alanine. But that's enough of that. And a little quick review for beta alanine and taurine. I also forgot to mention, these don't taste really that bad. If you've seen my previous video of the branched chain amino acids, the 312, that stuff tastes horrible. Just mixed with water, 3 grams, and it's gag for me. I can't hardly do it. It's bad. But both of these, they mix pretty easily in water, and I just drink it with water. It is a little bit too acidic if I don't use enough water, and I can just kind of feel it on my teeth. It's not uncomfortable, but I don't know that it's necessarily good for your teeth. So, maybe mix it in something else or put it in your protein shake. That would work well. Check out bulksupplements.com, and there's a lot of good stuff there. Thanks for watching.